Meaning of hardboard.
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 Hardboard. Hardboard is a type of dense, compressed wood product that is made by combining wood fibers, wax, and resin under high heat and pressure. It is a versatile material that can be used for a variety of purposes, including construction, cabinetry, furniture, and crafts. Hardboard is typically smooth on one side and textured on the other, and it can be painted, stained, or laminated to achieve different finishes. It is valued for its strength, durability, and affordability, and it is a popular choice for both professional and DIY projects.